For this project you're going to need a clean dry jar, some pretty fabric, a glue gun, some thick card, toy stuffing and a pen. Use the preserving jar lid to draw a circle on a piece of card. Cut out the circle in the card. Place the card over the top of the fabric and cut out a larger circle about 3 centimeters wider. Place the toy stuffing into the middle of the card and glue down into place. Lay the fabric over the top of the toy stuffing and then turn over and glue all the sides to the back of the card. Then glue the corners to create a circular shape. Use the glue gun to stick the cushion down onto the jar lid. Then place the outside of the lid over the top of the fabric. You can now fill your jar with all your lovely sewing bits like ribbon and threads and sewing scissors. Then screw the lid on top and you can use it as a pin cushion. It's a lovely way to store all your bits and bobs. For this project, all you need is a clean jam jar and some POSCA pens. Have fun illustrating your jar. I've used some beautiful floral designs, but you can go wild and choose whatever you like. This makes a beautiful vase to put on your shelf or mantle. For this project, you're going to need a nice clean dry jar, acrylic paint in your choice of colours, a paper plate, paintbrush and Mod Podge glue, a little cup of water and some disposable cups. Mix your chosen base colour, I've chosen pink, and add a bit of PVA and water until the paint is a pouring consistency. It should look a bit like this. Mix a smaller amount of at least 2 secondary colours with the PVA and water. Hold the jar on its side over the paper plate, then pour over your base colour, followed by a smaller amount of your other 2 colours. Twist and turn the jar to make sure all the paint covers all the way round and creates a nice marble pattern. Put the jar over a disposable cup to hold it upright and then leave it to dry as the paint runs down. Once dry, cover it with Mod Podge and leave it to dry again before popping it on your desk to use as a beautiful storage container.